Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you an interesting feature of snipping tool. So let's say I have in this image and I want to extract the text with the help of a snipping tool. So first thing first, you have to click new and take the screenshot. Once you take the screenshot, at the right top corner, you will see the text actions. All you have to do is just click on this text actions. It will take a moment. Then it will give you the option to copy all text. Click on copy, and now if you go to the word and paste it over there, so this way you can easily extract the text from the image. If you want to activate your snipping tool with your print screen key, all you have to do is just click on these three dots, then go to the settings. Under the shortcuts, use the print screen key to open the snipping tool. Change window settings, just turn it on. Use the print screen key to open screen capture. So this way all you have to do is just hit the print screen button, and then you will be able to open the snipping tool.